It's December 31st. I'm in my bed chilling, watching the ball drop in Times Square. People out there celebrating, having a good time. I'm in my room chilling, getting my daily scrolling. And I open up Instagram and I see this. So naturally, I'm just like, alright, surely something must be wrong here. Because ain't no way you could drop the speed limit from 25 to 20 in New York City. This has to be a joke. But no, it is not a joke. They're gonna reduce 250 locations speed limit from 25 to 20. I'm gonna let that sink in.
It's pretty difficult to put into words how disgusted I am, how depressed I am.
It might make more sense for me to just take my bike or scooter to work, because at this point, what's the purpose of having a car that can just be passed by anything that's smaller and more maneuverable in the street? I'm over here like, what are they talking about?
Is this an old message?
And I ended up doing some research on this law. It was enacted because of Sammy's Law, which was a 12-year-old that ended up getting ran over in 2013. Prayers go out to his family. It's very sad. But at the same time, reducing the speed limit is not going to stop these BMW drivers from doing donuts at intersections, all right? It's not going to stop ghost plates. It's not going to stop none of this stuff, okay? We are New Yorkers. Everywhere is tight. If there's space, I'm going there, all right? That's how it got to be. And all of these people think that reducing the speed limit, like, what is after this, bro? We gonna reduce the speed limit to walking? What, you gonna have me walk? I gotta be at the same speed limit of pedestrian and foot traffic? This don't make no type of sense, bro. I don't understand what's going on. Like, just because something happened doesn't mean you reduce the speed limit. In New York City, people are always gonna speed where they're not supposed to. And to me, this just sounds like another way the city just trying to run the pockets of the people in the city. Like I said this before, New York City hates cars. It hates anybody that has a car. It hates anybody that owns a car. It hates cars, bro. You leave your car on the wrong side of traffic, they're going to ticket you like you just did a Grand Theft Auto the night before. I don't even know. So I literally was in Manhattan and I saw a grown woman get hit by a BMW so hard that it took her airborne and came down and all her luggage opened up like a Mario box. Even me, myself, I've been hit by a car. Was the car speeding? No. Were they paying attention? No, they weren't. So it's more or less, I feel like people are not paying attention rather than they're just speeding down the road. Because when you're speeding, I feel like you're probably gonna pay a little more attention. At least I would hope so, okay? It's not even gonna make no sense to do Uber and DoorDash anymore, bro. You might as well just get out and just walk to your destination. Like, already we got congestion price and everything. How is things getting more expensive and slower, bro? Either way, I live in New York City, so I ain't got nowhere else to go. All right, bye.